Let's dive into division, 422 divided by 2. Hey math adventurers, if you're having fun learning with us, hit that subscribe button and join the Let's Stud family. We've got tons of exciting math adventures waiting for you. Alright, let's start our division adventure. We'll bring down the first digit of 422, which is 4. Now how many times does 2 fit into 4? It fits 2 times. Let's check. 2 times 2 is 4, perfect. We subtract 4 from 4 and guess what? We have 0 left. You're doing amazing, high five. Now let's move to the next digit. Ready for the next step, let's keep going. We bring down the next digit, which is 2, now we have 2. How many times does 2 fit into 2? Just 1 time. Let's multiply. 1 times 2 equals 2, spot on. Subtracting 2 from 2 leaves us with 0, so neat. You're crushing it, keep up the fantastic work. On to our last digit. Last step, here we come, you've got this. We bring down the final digit, another 2, we have 2 again. How many times does 2 go into 2? You guessed it, 1 time. Let's check our multiplication. 1 times 2 is 2, exactly. Subtract 2 from 2 and we have 0 remaining, we're done. Woohoo, you solved it, that's fantastic. We've reached the end of our division journey for today. So 422 divided by 2 equals 211. Great job, everyone. We just conquered dividing 422 by 2. Remember, every step, no matter how small, brings us closer to the answer. Keep practicing and you'll be a division whiz in no time. That's all for today's division adventure. Keep that curiosity sparkling and check out more fun math videos on Let's Stud. See you next time.